Hey guys, and welcome back to the Simple Car Guide channel. Ever since I started posting videos online, I have gotten many suggestions, requests, complaints, and even compliments once in a while. But the part that seems to bother people the most, and maybe got me the most amount of comments on my channel, was that I have M collars on my kidney grills. So in this video, I'm replacing the fake M kidney grills with the regular gloss black on both the BMW Z4 and the 550. Now, I installed mine before I knew how much people really hated these and the stigma behind them. Everyone knows not to put M badges on the regular BMW car, but what's the harm in putting some colors on your kidney grills, right? Well, apparently a lot, and you cannot go on a forum or post a video online without people just complaining and hating on these cars. So for your pleasure and mine, let's get these new shiny black only grills installed and make the world a slightly nicer place. Do you agree with this general opinion? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this. And while you're there, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and maybe more than 20 people will see this video. Let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start with the 550, because this one's a little bit more difficult. The first time I replaced them, I literally just pulled them out. So I'm gonna try that and see if that works. Doesn't seem to work that well. I think they grip pretty well. So I'm gonna go from the top. Let's find out how difficult that one is. So I gave myself a little bit of room in the top here, so I was able to get a screwdriver in for a couple of these. Now I can just kind of pull the rest of them out. Can't really get my hand in there, so it's a little bit tougher, but I'm going one at a time. So the goal here is not to have full access, it's just to have enough access to push on the little clip. There it is. Now we just have one at the bottom. There you go. Well, casualties. But it's out. The second one should be even easier. Definitely want to take out this one before you put the new one in. There's not a lot of room. There's kind of a divider in between, but should make it a little bit easier. Go. Both of them are out. I'm replacing them for a good reason anyway. They're a little bit chipped, as you can see. In a lot of places, I've probably put 50,000 miles with this grill on, so it's seen a lot of road. All right, looks good. Now let's do the other one. Should be just as simple. Pop it in and done. Sometimes it just needs a little bit of tough love. Alrighty, one done, one to go. As you can see, everything fits perfectly. No issues, nothing sticks out, looks good. Can take a car for a wash now. Didn't want to wash it before since I knew it would have some, fingerprints and stuff. The body line is perfect as well, because I did remove a few screws that were holding the top of the bumper. Yeah, looks awesome. Let's get to the second one now. Well, this one should be even easier. I have a video on this one if you want to see a full video, but basically what I'm going to do is remove this and whatever's underneath. Just gives you better access, and it's not as complicated to remove as on the other one. And I believe that this one might have already a ripped, like obviously this is, actually, you know what, maybe I don't have to. Because I knew that one of those was broken already, but I didn't want to damage anything. So if I can get this one out without having to pull on it too hard, just need a screwdriver. You can see the clip that's holding it. Well, that was easy. Just this clip bent back, so it was kind of stuck in the bumper, but yeah, these are crap. Trash. Now that we have one of them out, I mean, this one should be even easier. I have full access. Just need to feel my way around. All I'm doing is pushing down on these clips with my finger. A little bit difficult to get in there. And this one, I'm not really sure how the one at the bottom is going to unclip because it's behind this reinforcement bar. So let's see. Okay. All right, we have one left. Done, it's out. So now I'm just going to install the new ones. And that's it. Ah yes, I remembered last time I did this I modified the bracket right here because that does not fit past this point. So I'm gonna get my razor blade and do that. Now the same here. I'm gonna modify this a tiny bit as well because it doesn't seem to want to clip in. So what I'm gonna do is cut this off just a little bit. I think my camera ran out of storage, but that was pretty easy. Got it installed, it looks perfect. No more red collars, and I didn't even have to remove anything from here. Since I had one of them with broken clips, I was just able to pop it out and use the space behind it to put it all back inside. Put the new ones in. Pretty sweet, very easy. Alrighty guys, look at that. Both of them are done now, looking great. No more M collars on my non-M cars. So I expect no more negative comments on my entire channel. Joking aside, I just really wanted to switch out from those grills. Got kind of tired of people asking me if it's an M car or M Sport or whatever. So I just wanted to kind of bring it back to basics, I guess, and make them look more normal. Just a simple black grill, which I think everybody likes. So there's not that much more to say about this video, but if you did like the video, hit that like button. If you have your own opinion on this, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for a lot more BMW content, especially on the 550 and on the Z4. I have playlists, so check those out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.